and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's talk about how to speak English confidently and fluently. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this new video, in this today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can become fluently, how you can speak English fluently and confidently like the native speaker. So what is required to speak in English? Knowledge, first of all. If you have the knowledge of vocabulary, so you can speak in English. And how the vocabulary will come? It will come by the help of reading. When you will read newspaper, read book or read magazine, whatever you will read, and you will find the new and advanced word. Whenever a human find new things, so they try to explore more about that. So whenever you will find a new word, a new vocabulary, you will try to find out the meaning of that word, because you should. If you really want to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker, you need to find out that what is the meaning of that advanced word which you have read in the today's morning newspaper. So when you will read, so you will find the new vocabulary, new words which you can use in your next communication skills, in your next English speech. So it will really going to help you. I have told you so many times, English is not just a language, it is a communication skills. That is why it has recognized in globally. And the one more reason behind that English is recognized globally, because it is the most easiest language. If you see any other language like German, French, Italian, Hindi, or any other Japanese, Chinese, there are so many languages in this world. But English is the most easiest language which you can just learn in just 30 days, or you will need a time more than 30 days. But 30 days or 40 days is more than enough to learn English speaking, because what you need is vocabulary so that you can speak in English. If you have the vocabulary, if you have the command over the words, so you can make a sentence and you can communicate. Second thing is reading. Try to read in English. So first is vocabulary, and try to read English so that you can find out new and advanced word. Third thing I would like to tell you is listening. Listen English media, listen cricket commentary if you like, listen English songs, listen English movies, so that you can hear more English and you can improve your pronunciation also. Because when you will see any native speaker try to speak, who is speaking in English, so you can also try to speak in English like them. Because if they can speak in English, so you can also speak in English. But the matter is, whenever you try first speak in English, so the best way is try to speak in English in front of the mirror. So this is the third point, that speak in English. Try to speak in English in front of the mirror. In the starting you will make so many mistakes, but don't worry, you need to speak. You need to speak, you need to do a practice of English speaking. You should learn vocabulary, you should read newspaper every day, you should listen English media or cricket commentary and try to speak in English. If you will do these exercise every day, you will become fluent in English and you will open a new opportunity for you, like the jobs in a corporate sector, or if you want to go for overseas study in Canada, Australia or any other country, so you can open a new opportunity for you. So I just want to tell you one thing, that if you want to grow in your life, so you just need to work hard. You need to work hard on your communication skills, because your English can get you a good job in your life, and you can make your career better and you can live a good life. So I would like to conclude this video on today. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.